Hey guys, so if you're interested in learning how to do this style on your girl's hair, this really pretty spring twist style, great for back to school. If you're interested in learning, stay tuned. First things first, we're going to cleanse the hair. Then we're going to go with the clarifying shampoo. I'm using Carol Starter Wash Day Delight. And I also allowed the shampoo to sit in her hair for a few minutes before I rinsed it out.
It's okay. It'll give it my
After applying the conditioner, you let it sit, and then I'll rinse cool, of course. Before getting started, I had to find something to watch. And currently, we're watching Vampire Diaries. I like to section the hair into 4 sections. I even do that for myself when it comes to blow drying. Also, make sure you spray a detangler and a heat protection. Now that the hair is all dry, we're going to get started with our parts. I'm using the spring twist hair, making sure that part is extra crispy. I split the cluster into 2 sections, and then I use that for 1 braid or twist. To ensure that each row have an even amount of braids, I make sure I pre-section the hair. The method that I'm using to do the twist, I'm using the rubber band method, as you see me doing here. Make sure that it's not too tight. I forgot to mention that I'm using the Shining Gem conditioning gel for my parting and to slick down the ends. So you take your crochet needle, crochet it through the bottom of the braid, pull the hair through. I made sure that the hair is pretty much even. I left like an inch on one side so I can do this. So I take it at the base, I wrap it around a few times just to cover the rubber band, and then split the natural hair into 2 and proceed to twist it down. Here you see me splitting the hair into 2, and then I started to twist. It makes the hair look really clean at the base, but also still have that twist on the end. It's almost like you're doing a faux lock at the top and then twisting the ends. You'll see when it's done. Now watch what I'm doing. I'm working on this piece of hair here, and boom, homegirl couldn't take it. She was knocked out. But here you got a close-up of me twisting the hair around like doing a faux lock, and then I split the hair into 2 and I twist. And you're gonna twist going towards the right. I'm left-handed and it's extremely hard for me, so I have to take my time, but you twist to the right. Once you get to the bottom of the twist, you want to make sure you coil or twist it around your finger just to make sure it's pretty. Okay, now you're gonna see an up close. Look at that. It looks so clean and fresh. Look at that. You see it? Note, when wrapping the hair, you don't have to wrap as tight. My daughter has fine hair, so I make sure I don't put that much tension on it as well. And you want to make sure that the hair is evenly distributed between the two pieces of extension hair, and then proceed to twist down. This style lasted about a month on her. She really enjoyed it. Normally I do the girls' braids, but she enjoyed the twist, so I might be going back to the twist again. Maybe add a little color or maybe some length. Now I'm going to go in with the Blue Magic and oil her scalp.
It smells good.
To set the hair, I went in with some mousse, alcohol free of course. Now, I'm not a fan of baby hair, but she loves her baby hair, so we're going to set the baby hair. And you can tell she's starting to feel herself. Look at that. She can keep her hands out of her hair. So I'm going to show you a few styles that you can do with this style. Starting off strong with the side part, left side to be exact, which is my personal favorite way of wearing my hair. Then we went the half up, half down with 2 bang pieces. A side pony with the bang. My favorite, the 2 space buns and a bang. She loved that style. Last but not least, we have the ponytails. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye. Kissy faces.